Okay, we have created nice looking designer landing pages, and we've connected to our landing page. We've connected our landing page to our autoresponder, and we have everything set up right now. And the question now is, we have all these nice looking designer landing pages, but what good is it to spend a whole lot of money on these nice looking landing pages if they're not going to convert for you? And so that's why we want to take a look at this most important video in the video series on creating nice designer landing pages. This is really, really important step, and I thought I include this in this video series as a bonus for you because you need this stuff, because it's not just about creating nice designer landing pages. It's also about tracking, because you want to know which one converts better than the other. So what we'll do in this video, I'll show you how to track your stuff in such a way that you will know what landing page converts, or whether or not you need to optimize or do a little bit of tweaking in your landing page. Because what happens is most marketers waste a lot of money on clicks, on traffic. Before we even send traffic to our landing page, we want to be able to track it. We want to be able to have a rotator link. We want to be able to tell what landing page converts better. And so tracking is like the ultimate, it's like the best thing you'll do in this video series. So I know you probably heard about tracking before, but the question is, are you doing it? Are you actually implementing tracking? And they have different kinds of tracking softwares out there. They have tracking. They have like Bentley. They have ClickMeter, and but I want to start out with ClickMeter, and they also have bot URL. But I want to start out with ClickMeter because, in my opinion, it's like one of the best out there. Now, I'm not saying that this is what I use personally. Let me put it that way, because there might be other good tracking softwares out there, but I really like this because it really helps me. I mean, it's really efficient, compared to the other ones that I've used. I mean, they have some free ones out there, but I use this. Now, what is the importance of tracking? Now, you might have a landing page that converts at, let's say, 1%. And usually, when people having a conversion rate of 10%, it's like the ultimate. But how would you like to raise your conversion rate from 1% to up to 30 or even 50%? That's where tracking comes along, because you can do this by simply tracking. And what we'll do in this video, first I'll show you what tracking is all about, and then second of all, we'll talk about rotating. And we created three landing pages, if you can remember. Now the first landing page the first landing page that we created is this nice looking landing page with the ELPP, and then the second one that we actually created was the one with lead pages, and this is the one. And the third one that we created was the one with megaphone, and this one. So what we want to do, we want to see for these three landing pages, which one actually converts better than the other. So we have this one, we have this one, and we have this one. So we want to know which one really converts better. And I have this campaign right here, and we're gonna plug it in into this campaign, and I'm gonna show you exactly live how it works, so you can see for yourself which one is actually convert better. So it's gonna be really, really an exciting ride. So what I'll do in this video, I'll log into my account right now, and I'll show you actually what I do. And I actually do this stuff, and you can see it live what I do. And so my computer, internet is taking a little, it's a little bit slow, so it's taking a little while. But let me show you before I take you to my account, and you can see my account right here. You can see my campaigns and all this good stuff. You can actually see that I actually do this stuff. There's one thing I want to show you. I want to log out to my account. Let's go back to the home page. there's something really important that I think you should know. I want to take you back to the home page before I actually log you in. I want to show you the pricing of this. Now you can check out the pricing of this. Now you can go with the free version, but it only allows you like 1,000 event per month, which is the free version. Now they also have the paid version, which is $29 a month, and they have the large, which is the best value. You have $99 a month, and you can track up to 200,000 events or clicks actually. So what good is this click meter? Well, you will see live as I'm about to show you step by step on how I create like tracking links and how I put it in a rotator, and how all of this, what we've been doing from video one to this video right now, how it all connects together. So what I want to do right now is I recommend actually that at least you start out with the medium, because the free version is only like 1,000. And what I'll do, I'll put a link underneath this video so you can check this out for yourself. So let's actually log in now to my account so I can show you exactly how this stuff works. As you can see, I'm not just talking about this stuff, I'm actually doing it. You can see I have like 205 campaign and I'm tracking up to 546 links. So you can see for yourself how this stuff works. So what I'll do first of all, before we do anything else, we want to create what is called a conversion code. Before you even start, creating a campaign, you wanna know what a conversion code is. So we'll call this designer landing page conversion. And so what we'll do, let's put this designer landing page conversion one. And so you create yourself a conversion code. And this is very, very necessary that you do this. And so you can see right here, this is your conversion pixel. Now, I don't require you using the first one. Now, you need what is called a conversion pixel. And where are you going to put this? Now, you got to put this in your thank you page. You remember when we talked about thank you page? And remember, just a quick example for this, our thank you page was Google. I hope you remember that our thank you page was Google. And so for this reason, we will not be able to paste the conversion rule, the conversion code on Google. But for sure, if you created your own thank you page, this code right here, you paste it on that thank you page. Now, if you don't have a thank you page, what you want to do is, if you're promoting, let's say, product and services, you want to contact like the owner, the person that is responsible for the product and services, for the marketing. You want to contact them that you have a conversion pixel and you want to place it on their thank you page. So that way, if somebody buys the product, you can paste it on the thank you page of that product. And so that way, if visitors, they come to this page and they enter their information, the code will be on your thank you page on this page, so it can actually it's just gonna click, saying that because if you come across, if you leave this landing page to this thank you page, then it just sends a signal that somebody actually or a visitor actually went from the landing page to the thank you page, and it signal and it counts as a conversion. I hope this kind of makes sense, and I hope I kind of try to actually explain this stuff to you. And what we'll do is we'll create what is called a campaign right now. So a campaign is simply, it's like a folder that you put all of your tracking, all of your it's like a folder, like for a particular traffic source. You want to have, for each campaign, you want to have for each traffic source, actually, you want to have a campaign per tracking source. So that way, and for each campaign, you have 3 other landing pages. This one, and this one. So you have 3 other tracking, 3 other landing pages. So what we'll do right now is I just gotta simply name this campaign. Let's see what I can name it. Designer LP. Just put, campaign, camp for campaign, and we're just gonna put. I'm just gonna put designer just to have like a tag for it, and then you just gonna go. So I'm gonna show you this stuff live. I'm not just talking about this, and I'm actually gonna show you this stuff. And it's really pretty. It's so simple you won't even believe it. And most marketers are just shooting in the dark. They have no idea where their conversion is coming from, where their clicks is coming from, and they just shooting in the dark. You want to create like a tracking link per landing page, and that's what you want to do. And like I said, they have so many tracking softwares out there. They have Bentley, they have bot URL, but you're just gonna choose one that actually works for you. And that's what we'll be talking about on this video. Before you even send traffic to your website, you want to be able to have like a track. You want to be able to have like want to be able to track your conversion. You want to be able to track your traffic. Now, I'm not sure if you're going to be using this ClickMeter, but they also, before I forget, they also have like a tutorial video right here. You can see like a video tutorial. You can go right there and you can watch this video, and it's going to show you exactly how to create campaigns and how to create like links, you see. So this is very, very simple, and it's very, very important that you actually track your stuff. So we're gonna do this live. You're just gonna watch over my shoulder and see how I actually put these tracking links together. So you can see right here our campaign. You gotta make sure your campaign is designer LP camp. You can see it right here, and this is where we'll place our URL. So we have this first one that we created right here. So all you gotta do right now is you're gonna copy that link. That particular link, you're gonna copy it, and you'll go back to this tracking right here, and this is where you place this link right here. And so we want to track this one, and then we'll track the second one. Now, because we created this landing page from ELPP, so we'll just name this one ELPP1. And so the next thing we want to do, we want to click on our conversion. And this is very, very important. Once you click on the conversion, and then you'll see what was the name of our conversion? Designer LP conversion. You want to click on that, and then you want to you want to click on create link. Now you can see the link right here. So you want to grab that link. You want to grab this link, or you can just simply click on test. You want to test it because you want to know if it's working right or not. And before you even place the link anywhere else, you want to make sure that link is working right. So it's gonna take a little while, but eventually it's gonna come up. So let's just give it a second there, and it's actually my internet is a little bit slow, and so it's coming up. So let's see. Let me go back right there since it's taking a little bit of time. What I gotta do is I just actually click on that, and I just copy that, and let me see if it came up. Oh, it's taking a little while. Now it's coming up, and you can see the URL right there. It's just taking a little while. Let's see. Let me see if I can refresh it. Let me see if I can do it right here. Let me just go ahead and copy that and paste it right there, and see how good it's gonna work. Okay, now you can see it's working perfectly, as you can see for yourself. So this is working perfectly, and now this is our first tracking link. So what I'm gonna do right now is I just gonna copy that, and I'm gonna create like a notepad, a nice little notepad right there, and I'm just gonna paste it, and we'll need it, so let me just paste that one right there. So I know we'll need it. So the next thing now you want to do is you want to go ahead and create, another tracking. You see, you just go ahead and add a tracking to the same campaign. Just like I told you, we'll create like 3 landing pages. So we need 3 tracking. So for this one right here, you can see that it's the same campaign, the same folder. So what we're just gonna use, we'll use a second landing page, which is this one right here. All we're gonna do is, copy the URL, copy it right there, and then what we'll do right now is go back now to that tracking, and then we're just gonna go ahead right there and just paste it. And what we'll name this one, because this one was created with lead pages, so I just gonna name it designer landing page lead pages 1. So, and then we'll go now to conversion, and then our conversion is designer conversion 1, and then create now our landing page. But as usual, we always test it. So we're gonna copy that link right there, and then we have to test it and make sure that it's working perfectly. So I always have to test it, and then you can see now it's working perfectly. And so we'll go back now to our notepad right here, and then we place the second link right here. Okay, so now the next thing now we'll do, we want to do now the third one. So all we do now is we'll go back now to tracking. Now, as usual, you want to make sure the folder or the campaign is the right one. So you can see it's designer. You can see where my mouse is, hopefully. Let me click out of that. You can see. So the third one now we have is this one that we create with Megaphone. So we're just going to copy the URL right there, and then go back now to click matter, and then we will paste it right there. And then since we created this landing page with Megaphone, so we're just gonna put designer landing page Megaphone 1. So that's all we're gonna do. And then we'll click on conversion, and then we'll click on designer conversion, and then we'll click create link. So this stuff is really, really simple. It's really, really simple, and I'll show you exactly. I'll show you exactly how to place this stuff in your campaign. So we always gotta test it just to make sure it works before we actually place it. Okay, so now it's working perfectly. So all we gotta do now, we're gonna save this now in our notepad. As simple as that sounds, that is it. So we already created now this campaign, and we have our tracking. We have everything now in place. So what we'll do right now, we go to a rotator link. Now, what is a rotator? A rotator link is because the best one out there, that in my opinion, is quality click control. And a rotator link is just simply a link where it will evenly distribute this landing page 1, 2, 3 evenly between visitors. Like the first visitor will come and they'll see this one. I mean, it evenly split tests your landing pages to know which one actually converts better than the other. So they have a lot of tracking softwares. Now, do you have to use this one? Absolutely not. I mean, I'm just showing you what I actually use in my campaigns. And so what I gotta do right now is just log in. You can check this out for yourself. You can go to quality click control, or you can use whichever rotator that you want to use. I just want to show you the magic of tracking your links and what difference it can make in your conversion rate. Now you can see I actually do this kind of stuff. You can see all of this is actually campaigns that I track, and you can see that for yourself. It's not something I'm not just talking about this. I actually do this. Now, if you log into your back office, you're not sure on how to place this quality click control, I'll leave a link underneath this video, or you can go ahead and leave me a comment underneath this video. I can show you step by step on how to place this quality click control software, or you can go ahead and watch this video to know how to create campaign. But it's pretty easy. I'm going to show you exactly how. So what you do is you create a new campaign. Just go ahead and click on that. Once you log into your back office, you just simply click on that, and it's going to take you straight up. And by the way, this is like a one-time payment. I'm not sure. I think it's about maybe $100 or so. So, but it's just one time. Once you buy the software, that's it. It's not a monthly deal. But it's not like anything like ClickMeta where you have to pay like a monthly deal. So the first campaign, we're just gonna name it landing page LP. Let's just name it landing page LP, or actually not landing page. Let's actually just use the designer landing page 1. And so cookie expiration date, I'm just gonna leave it at 10, and I'm not gonna mess with that one. Now you can see right here, here's the magic. You wanna set it like evenly rotate, not evenly rotator, not on random rotator or filter rotator or anything like that. You wanna put it on evenly rotator. So once you put it on that, then now you create campaign. So it's easy. You can see it right here. Our campaign is created. Now here is the magic. This is a rotator link. And I'll show you the magic of this, how this works. And you'll be amazed why you need to do this. So what we'll do right now is I'm just gonna go for all the tracking links that we created. I'm just gonna copy tracking link number 1, and you remember it was for this first one right here. Hope you remember that. And what we'll do now is uh, we're gonna add a new link. So you just simply you add a new link right there, and you don't have to mess with any of this stuff. You just put that and you just save it, and we have one tracking right now. So when I go now to tracking number 2, we're gonna use that and we're gonna paste to our tracking. Let me see, where did I keep that? Okay. So now we go to tracking number 2, and all we gotta do, we're just gonna copy that and we're just gonna paste it. Copy that. Oh, wait a minute. So we're just gonna copy that and we're just gonna paste it right over here. So we'll put our tracking number 2. And if you don't remember, our tracking link number 2 is this one, which is our landing page. So we'll go back right here now and we just click on that to add another new link. And we're just gonna paste it right there. And we're just gonna click save. So this is really, really easy. You can see this is really simple. So we have 2 tracking links right now. So we're just gonna add now the third one. We'll go right here and we add like the third one we created with megaphone, and this one. So we get this one now. We go now and add a new link. I mean, this is exciting, in it. So this is where the magic is. If you don't have this tracking, you won't know what landing page converts better. And what we do now, we just copy this so you can see the magic of this. Copy this, you copy the link, and you go now right here to your campaign. There's a reason why I paused that. So I'll take you to my ad and I'll show you exactly. So let's go to my keywords. You can see the keywords that I'm bidding on, and go to my ad. I want to show you this live. You see right there, you go right there. So you can see our URL right now will be that. See? So here's where you paste your tracking. You can see right there. So everything now is set up perfectly. Now what we want to do over there now, actually, oh, okay, wait. Okay, so now we'll put that. Now I'm just, the reason why I'm doing this, and it's a whole nother tutorial to do. You can see why I'm doing this. You can see I want to be compatible, congruent. Actually, you can see designer landing page, designer landing page, and there's a reason why I'm doing that. And we'll talk more about that later. If you want to learn more about placing like an ad or something like that, you can go ahead and leave me a comment underneath this video, and you just go ahead and place your rotator link right there and you can save it. Now I'll show you the magic. The magic of that rotator link is, okay, check this out. Now we place it in an ad. Now you don't have to copy exactly the kind of ad that I have. I'm hoping that you understand this is just for demonstration purpose. So this is what if somebody goes to Bing. Let's see. I just want to show you something real quick. So if somebody goes to Bing, right, and they type in landing page template, or let's say they type in how to use landing pages how to use landing pages for your business. Let's say somebody types in that, you can see how to use landing pages for your business. So your ad, this ad right here, this ad is gonna pop up because one of our keywords, uh, one of our keywords is how to use landing pages for your business. So when somebody types that, your ad is gonna show up. So if you show up for the first visitors and they click on it, guess where it's gonna take them? To this first landing page. And if they click on, if the second visitors pops up, click on the ad, guess where it's gonna take them? To hold on a second. Oh wow. Wait a minute. Let me see. Something is not right. Let's see. Let's see. Let me test this out. Sorry about that. Something I want to show you. Okay, I think it's because okay, it takes me to this one. Let me make sure everything was copied in correctly. Yeah, it's supposed to evenly distribute the ad. That's why. Okay, let me paste that real good so you can see it. You see, one thing with me, I cannot talk and type at the same time for some reason. Okay, let me see. I hope everything is good. Okay, let me see. Just to make sure everything is good. Okay, now let's save it. Okay, just like I was saying, if somebody comes right here, type in this keyword and your ad is gonna pop up. So your ad is gonna look like this. And so when a visitor click on the first, like the first visitor comes in, check the ad and click on that. You see, this one shows up. That's the first one. Okay. Now, a second visitor comes up and click on the same ad. Guess where it's gonna take them? It's gonna take them to this one. You see how it's evenly rotated. That's what I was about to show you. Now the third visitor comes in and click on that, and boom, it takes them to this one. So you see how it's evenly distributed between the three landing pages. So that's the cool thing. You see, when I click on that, it takes me to that one, and it takes me to this one, and then it takes me now to the third one. See, this is what I was about to show you. So this is very, very important that you do this because you want to know, you don't want to waste a lot of money on creating nice designer landing pages if you're not going to know which one converts for your business. So this is absolutely very, very important. And is this the idea right here, the big idea. If you didn't get anything in this video series, the one thing you want to grab is you want to send traffic. You want to send traffic. Let's say you're doing a solo ad or whatever stuff you're doing. You want to send traffic to your you want to send traffic to this rotator link, so that way it evenly distribute your landing pages, so that way you know which landing pages is converting better, because you never know which one of these three that we just created is going to convert better than the other. So that's why you want to have your landing page in a rotator, so that way you know exactly which one is converting better than the other one, and you can scale up the one that is converting. So you want to send it right here. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link underneath this video if you want to check out. You maybe click control, quality click control, or you want to check out click matter. And if there's anything you don't understand, go ahead and leave me a comment underneath this video. And until then, my friend, I'll see you on the next video, and bye for now.